MetaTrader4 winning strategy. This is one of the best winning forex trading tools that you can use to trade. This particular indicator is meant for MetaTrader4 and not MetaTrader5. You cannot use this on derived platform also. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there is news for any pairs. And if there is news, make sure you stay away 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after the news. Let the market settle before you take that particular trade. Better still, you can trade other pairs since you have alternative. This particular indicator can be used on any indices, either US 30, US 100, US tech, stocks, cryptocurrency, either Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge and the likes. You can use this particular indicator. You can use it on gold also. It is useful. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumb up and do not forget to turn on the notification button. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy. The strategy is simple and anyone can use it. This is how this particular indicator works. Once it's changed to red, what the indicator is trying to tell us is that the signal is down, the market is down. Though we may have the candle above this red zone, it still confirms that the market is down. So if you have any other indicators, you can combine with this particular indicator so that you only take trade in the direction of this particular rectangle. When you see either an arrow, then you can place trade so that you will have more accurate trade if you combine with other indicator. For instance, we have a sell signal here from this particular point, but the market did move up like against us, but later came down to that direction, and then we have a serious move. So if you combine with other indicator, it is very good so that you will enter at the right particular point. And here it's changed to blue for a buy, and this do give us a good pips. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any time frame you want. This is it on 15-minute time frame. Make sure you combine with other indicators to use this particular strategy. It is free, and the downloading to these particular indicators is in the video description. Make sure you download it and practice this indicator on demo account. I drop some links to brokers website, some of the forex broker that I've used, and I'm okay with them. You can register with any of the forex brokers and practice this particular strategy on demo account until you know how to use it well before you go live on your forex account. As I said, this particular indicator can be used on any pairs at all, either gold, US 30, US 100, US tech and the likes. You can use it on gold also. You can use it on Euro USD, any pair you want to trade at all, either Bitcoin, Ethereum and the likes. You can use it. So make sure you check it out and practice it. Now let's see if these particular indicators do repaint, because most time people ask me, does this indicator repaint or not? I will show you if this indicator repaint or not. Then you can decide for yourself either you are going to use it or not. Now the first thing you have to do is to go to your strategy tester and click on it. Now I want to test this particular indicator. Then change these points to indicators. Then look for the indicator you want to use for this particular testing. So I want to test this particular indicator. Let me look for it. Here is it. and I want to try it out right now on the pick any pairs you want and the time frame you want. There's no need to change the indicators property, so you can pick any of these value, every tick or open price only, because this one is faster, but you can use any one. Let's try with the first one. Then click on start here and let's see how it plays out. So you can see right now that this does not repaint. Now that you know either the indicator repaint or not, you can decide either to use it or not. So I'm going to stop this tester right now. I just show you how to do that on your own to decide either any indicator repaints or not. So let's go back to our actual chart, and here is it right now. So this is how to test this indicator out, if it repaint or not. So you can use it with any pair. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. Do give me a thumb up. As I said, make sure you check Forex Factory before you take any trade, and follow money management. Remember, you can use this indicator on crypto, BTC, Ethereum, Doji, and you can use this on indices also, like a US 30, US 100, all the indices. Do not forget that you can use it on any pairs also. Make sure you try it out and see if you know how to use it well. You can combine with other indicators so that you may be able to get a good point to enter a trade. Now let me add another indicators to this particular Forex tools so that you will know how to use it accurately. And I'm going to add another indicator. It is not compulsory you use the indicator combined together, but if you like, you can use my own indicator or you add it to your own trading arsenal. Now let me add one indicator, and I'm going to show you the settings for both indicator, or better still, I will drop the template in my video description. Make sure you download it also. It is free. Now I have added another indicator, and you can use it on any time frame. Here is it on 15 minutes. You only trade in the direction of this rectangular box. Here we have a red rectangular box here. So the only trade you are going to take is only sell signal. Use this arrow to enter. You can use this arrow as your trigger indicator for a sell or buy signal in the direction of the box. Here we have a buy signal right now. You only take this buy arrow here, and this is how to use this particular indicator combined together to give us a accurate result on any time frame you want. And here is it on 1 hour time frame. We have a sell signal generated here. Here's another sell. We have buy here in agreement with the box here. This is a sell arrow here in agreement with the box. Here we have a buy arrow here in agreement with the box. So this is a good combinations of indicators that you can use to trade Forex profitably on MetaTrader4 and not on MetaTrader5. Let me show you the two indicators I use for this MetaTrader4 strategy. And the first indicator is this particular typical Renko indicator. These are the setting. There's no need to be worried about the setting since you have the template with you. Make sure you use the templates, and these are the value for the other Forex indicator. Now that you know how to use this particular strategy for MetaTrader4 and it is free, make sure you download it. The download link is in my video description. It is simple and anyone can use it. The only thing I need from you is a thumb up for this particular free indicators I have combined together for your use on MetaTrader4 and not on MetaTrader5. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.